Welcome guys to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Manchester in a place I'm calling Rose Hill. Rose Hill is a hill in Manchester and has an elevation of 785 meters. So welcome guys to Rose Hill, Manchester. So when you're in Rose Hill, Manchester, you can get a nice view of Wigton wind farm. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes, one love, one heart. Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the Rose Hill area in Manchester. So take a tour of Rose Hill. I'm going towards the Wigton wind farm. So if you're just stopping by this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon and press all. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. This is where you're gonna know a lot of places in Jamaica, places to go, when to go, time to go. So just tune into the channel. So enjoy the ride with Fire Reid, your true Jamaican tour guide. One love and one heart, you know. So in a couple more seconds, we'll be at the Wigton wind farm. So you know, in Rose Hill, I know a lot of potato plant at Rose Hill. You man, so if you want to put sweet potato, you can come at Rose Hill. And Rose Hill is about 20 minutes drive to Montego Bay town. As you see the sign coming up, Wigton wind farm. Wigton wind farm. Keep on watching the paper. Yeah man, just I leave Wigton wind farm now. So this road I'm on right now can take you right back to Alligator Pond. Now Manchester same way. Look at Ochi side and you can get to the steam fish. A lot of persons supposed to know about Look at Ochi. Yeah man, Aswell and them place there. To me, that's where you can get the best fish in Manchester. Steam fish and bami and okra. Anywhere, anyhow you want your fish to done, you can go to Alligator Pond, Aswell, Look at Ochi, bunch of grape and them place there. thank you all for taking the journey with Fire Reid on the road trip, you know. One love and one heart. Yeah man, upward and onward. Each one help one. Yeah man, and them road I can take you to Port Kaiser and them place the same way. Manchester is also a big parish for paper. Yeah, so now I'm going to hear about Rosehill, but I show you how Rosehill look. Yeah man, them places are different type of weather. You can see the wind. On your left you have the Great View Estate, Wigton, Manchester. right you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church. So if you want to go to in the Alligator Pond area, some persons don't like to travel through Gutters side, but you can travel in the Rosehill side and it's much closer to Alligator Pond. More than have to travel Gutters side, you know. Trust me, you get a nice view, nice hillside view. Yes, me pay for one love and one heart. Man, so I pay attention to the road for them place. I kind of look curvy, so pay attention to the road. And boy, Fire Reid this year on the journey, you know. Yeah man, so just like up a video for me please, like up a video. Yeah man, just a reminder son to like up a video because I don't know YouTube like when you like up a video. I'm telling them people Jamaica sweet. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nice, can't done. Yeah man, no matter the crime them are doing in Jamaica same way, still love my country same way. Just need the persons, the people them for change. It's not about the country, it's the people them in their country. Yeah man, so love me Jamaica. Take the time out to show me people them how Jamaica sweet same way. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anyone in the yard or abroad. want a peace of mind, you can drive go down on the Alligator Pond side. Can even go Alligator Pond, Guts River and them place the same way. All about natural beauty when it come on to Jamaica. Natural beauty, you know. So a lot of persons will come from Kingston side. But you can't drive Roseville and go Alligator Pond, man. Yeah, man, come off of the highway and take it on the south side, you know. Less big unit you encounter with. Yeah, man, if you blow up on your hand to when you reach a certain spot on the road, I can know say, make other road users know say, yeah, I'm there on the road to my paper. So don't watch the loneliness of the road. Yeah, just the road kind of want bush and stuff. But you know, at Christmas time, every Christmas, you know, the government always bush the road like that. So at just Christmas time, I look off the road like that, you know. So just always remember that. But Jamaica still looking beauty same way. Beautiful place, Jamaica, man. So when you don't want to know scallion, you can come to them places too, because a lot of scallion plant in them area. You know the scallion and the pot. If you don't have no red root scallion and the pot, you know say now you know the flavour. You don't forget the paper, so you can come them side out if you don't want to scallion. So we are now in Plowden district area. Yeah, man. So Plowden, you're supposed to hear about them place and them call them Plowden. Yeah, man. So we're in the area now of Plowden. So enjoy the ride same way with Fire Reid. One love and one heart same way down the hill. As I telling you before, if you don't watch my videos, them don't make anyone pushing off of the road when you come to Jamaica. Just take on the time and drive at the one pace, because you have a lot of, I would say, road hog on the road that try blown off of the road to make you feel cold because now drive on the one pace. Just let them go around you and don't even look upon them, just keep at your own pace, same with people. Yeah, man, a lot of bikers up on the road too, you know, so blow up on the arm and you know, say, yeah. You see it? A lot of bikers, so blow up on the arm, man. Toot on the arm and you know, say, yeah. But up on the road I come. You know, say, in some other country you really can't blow your arm, but in Jamaica, you have to use up on the arm with people. You have a lot of corners, a lot of bike guys just riding like that with no caution. So you just have to blow them up and you know, say, yeah, we're up on the road too. Yeah, man, as you can see on your right, you see club. Yeah, man, so if you don't want to come on the club, you can come down in the Plowden side of the club, you know. I think I'm very close to Plowden Primary School. Yeah, so on your right, it's the Plowden Infant School. people, same bike guy, you know. Full speed ahead, same way. Yeah man, part of life, you know. Enjoy the sweet Jamaica. Yeah man, them ride are sweet. Nothing like riding a countryside, you know. Countryside is the best. No place like country.